Hi friends, this is Dr. Abdequaem Chimthanawala from Grace Hill Homoeopathy. As I had promised that in China self we'll discuss some symptom in relation to the general symptoms of China self, which are very important, which I found in my practice. If you have seen my last video, I have discussed the mind symptoms of China self, which I found very useful in my practice. So today I'll discuss the general symptoms of China self. I had a very interesting case, and the patient just मेरे ओपीडी में आया और बोला, डॉक्टर साहब ऐसी लग रही मेरी आर्टरीज और वेन्स पूरी भड़ 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 धड़ 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 बज रही है. आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स ऐसी बज रही है. आई सेड सो व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम एक्चुअली. नहीं, बस ये प्रॉब्लम है कि ऐसी लगता है मुझे मेरी आर्टरी और वेन बहुत ज़्यादा धड़ धड़ कर रही है, धड़क रही है. वैसी तो अपनी क्या बोलते हैं हार्ट धड़कता है, बट मेरी आर्टरीज और वेन में धड़क रही है. And that was again a very interesting and a very unusual symptom the patient was telling, and this patient was telling one time, two time, three time more, especially after supper. So arteries pulsating, throbbing, there are a lot of remedies, but as I go further I'll tell you some more interesting symptoms of China self. अभी अगर किसी पेशेंट को लग रहा है कि बहुत आर्टरीज और वेन में ब्लड जमा हो गया, बहुत धड़धड़ कर रही है, so what would be the amelioration, my dear friends? Very interesting that you have to understand and remember. In China self, epistaxis ameliorates. वो पेशेंट बोला, डॉक्टर साहब मेरे को ऐसी प्रॉब्लम था नाक में से खून निकलने का, और जब भी से नाक में से खून निकलता है तो मेरी सब तकलीफें कम हो जाती है. My dear friends, very important symptom of China self. Epistaxis ameliorates. Epistaxis ameliorates. And बहुत बार पेशेंट अपने पास आता है, डॉक्टर साहब बहुत ज़्यादा कमर दुख रही है, बहुत वीक लग रहा है, इसलिए मैं जब भी आपके चेम्बर में आता हूँ तो मैं ऐसे खड़ा नहीं रह सकता. आपके बहुत रश तो मैं खड़ा नहीं रह सकता, मैं कभी दीवार को जाके चिपक जाता हूँ और दीवार को टेक के खड़ा होता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत आराम लगता है. दिस इज माई डियर फ्रेंड्स चाइना सेल्फ. लीनिंग अगेंस्ट एनीथिंग एमलेरेट्स. You will have lot of cases of cord compression, spinal stenosis, and the patient says, I'm not better by sitting, I'm not better by standing, I'm not better by walking, but whenever I lean on something it feels better. Very important symptom, a very important modality of China self, my dear friends. Of course it is there are a lot of other remedies. You can think about Kalikar, you can think about Rustox, you can think about Pelladonna, you can think about Naxomica, but China self also has it. Like I told you that epistaxis ameliorates. Also one symptom of China self you must remember, perspiration ameliorates. During perspiration the patient feels better. Especially I have seen a lot of cases of fever in COVID also. When I gave China self, this was a very important symptom in lots of cases which I gave China self, that during perspiration the patient is better. Of course this symptom is also present in Rustox, this symptom is also present in Lycopodium, but it is also present in China self. And one thing remember, my dear friends, China self, the patient desires buttermilk. छाछ पीना बहुत पसंद, the patient desires buttermilk. So of course there are a lot of other symptoms of China self in relation to generalities or physical symptoms, but these symptoms I have got a lot of cases which I have taken this symptom for prescription, and that has given me good results. So my dear friends, do see the first video of China self in relation to mind and this symptom in relation to physical symptoms, so that you get the whole picture of China self in relation to mind and body both. And if you like this video, do share and subscribe. Thank you.